Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy collectible items on the StockX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to give away an iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First open the StockX app and then you will have to tap on the search icon. And here, as you can see, there are the categories: sneakers, streetwear, electronics, trading cards, collectibles, watches, and handbags. And go to collectibles. And then it's going to open up the general popular page. These are some of the more popular collectible items. But if you want to search for a specific item, you can either type into the search bar, or you can filter your searches here by these categories. You can sort them by popularity, price, volatility, total sold. If you are trying to sell some of your items, or you are looking for better values, here you can search by prices. There are Lego, art prints, skate decks, and quite a lot of brands, and they are always updating it, so there are always new brands. You can search by year and price also. So that's how you can find collectible items and buy them on the StockX app. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye.